vCenter Hyperic is required in order to monitor Microsoft applications running on EMC Hybrid Cloud. Custom plugins are used to ensure that metric data specific to each application can be monitored. Once an application server is deployed, the application running on that virtual machine is then discovered and added to the vCenter Hyperic inventory. Under Resources, we can view server and application-specific resources. An application server is selected. Then the application running on that server is selected, where we can view metric data which is enabled by default, in this case for SharePoint 2010. Additional metrics from those enabled by default can be turned on within vCenter Hyperic. Additional metrics will now be enabled for Exchange 2013 database instances. The new counters are selected and then enabled. Now that these are enabled, they can be managed from vCenter Operations Manager. Using vCenter Operations Manager, custom dashboards were created to provide an at-a-glance view of each of the Microsoft applications deployed on EMC Hybrid Cloud. Here is a SQL Server specific custom dashboard. Custom dashboards were also created for SharePoint deployments, where metric data specific to SharePoint could be added to individual widgets added to the dashboard. It's entirely up to the administrator as to which metrics are added to custom dashboards. A similar dashboard was also created to monitor Exchange 2013 environments running on EMC Hybrid Cloud. Here we can view the overall health of the Exchange 2013 environment, as well as metric data specific to Exchange 2013. Under Environment Overview on vCenter Operations Manager, we can view the overall health of the applications running on EMC Hybrid Cloud. These include Exchange, SharePoint and SQL Server. For each of the metrics enabled on vCenter Hyperic, we can enable key performance indicators within vCenter Operations Manager. Here is an attribute package for Exchange 2013, where we will view a metric which has been set as a key performance indicator. Here we can also set the severity level for the metric enabled. Alerts specific to Microsoft application which trigger on vCenter Operations Manager can be viewed within the Alerts Overview on vCenter Operations Manager. Alerts can also be set up using email notification and sent to custom dashboards if required. When an alert triggers, we can drill down to the alert and view the details of the alert. Here we can see an example of an Exchange 2013 dashboard used in EMC Hybrid Cloud. Thank you for watching this demo.